Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Electra Marvel Legends action figure. Alright, first we are going to spray it with Boston number 191 flat clear para meron tayong adhesive surface to work on. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. Lagi sila nagpapadala ng paints para sa ating mga custom repaint projects. If you want to buy some Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee. So first step is to apply the dark areas. So, ang guide natin dito yung mga mas nakalubog na mga parts dun sa action figure. So, we are starting with the cloth sa harap ni Electra. And then next step, mix the warm red with white para magkaroon tayo ng lighter color. So, yung technique natin dito, dark muna, and then lighter, and then lightest color. Tapos kapag na-apply na yung steps na yun, the next step will be applying water-based acrylic primer matte black para dun sa line art. I'm also using a finer brush para ma-drawing natin ma-paint natin yung mga comic book style of lines. So we can do transition lines, feathering, and cross-hatching. And there you have it mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. We are done with Electra Marvel Legends action figure custom repaint. Yung sa black areas naman, ang in-apply lang natin dyan, one layer of highlights and one layer of second highlights. Thank you very much, client, for availing this. So, meron pa tayong next project together. And I'm really, really looking forward to that. So, yun mga ma'am, sir, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.